Hi, greetings. My name is Maqsidul. I am from the technical support team at E1 Solutions. In this recording, I will show you how to add a permission sets in Business Central for users to access Popdock. We also have documented steps in E1 knowledge base. To access Popdock in Business Central, user may encounter this warning. The current permission prevent the action. To resolve this, we have to add permission set. We can download the permission set from this knowledge base by click on download. We can copy this XML code in a notepad, save it as Popdock permission XML file. Let's head over to Business Central. In Business Central, search for permission sets. Click on permission sets. Then click on the import permission set and select the Popdock permission set. I already have the file uploaded, so I will not require to upload it again. So click no. Next, go to the next step in Business Central. Search for user. Click on users. Select the user, need the permission, add new line, choose the permission set, search for Popdock, select the Popdock permission for the user. Now you can see Popdock permission is added for the user. The user will now have access to Popdock Menu widget within Business Central environment. I hope this short recording will be helpful. Thank you very much.